How does betting spread work in high-low blackjack counting? Imagine walking into a casino and knowing exactly when the deck is in your favor. That's what a good card counter aims for. Today, we're going to look at how betting spread works in the high-low card counting system. This is a key part of advanced play and fundamental to understanding how to maximize your advantage at the table. In the high-low system, each card you see is assigned a value. Low cards from 2 to 6 are worth +1, neutral cards from 7 to 9 are 0, and high cards from 10 to ace are -1. As cards are dealt, you keep a running count by adding or subtracting these values. But because most blackjack games use multiple decks, you need to convert this running count into a true count. You do this by dividing the running count by the estimated number of decks remaining in the shoe. The true count gives you a clearer picture of how favorable the deck is for the player. Once you have the true count, you can decide how much to bet. When the true count is low or negative, it means the deck favors the dealer, so you stick to the minimum bet. As the true count climbs to positive numbers, especially above 2, it signals a deck rich in high cards, which is good for the player. This is when you increase your bets to take advantage of the situation. The betting spread is the difference between your smallest and largest bets. For example, if your minimum bet is $5, a 1-to-8 spread means you bet $5 when the count is neutral or negative, and up to $40 when the count is high. This ratio helps you manage your bankroll and avoid drawing attention. A wider spread can mean bigger profits, but it also increases the risk of casino detection. That's why many players opt for a moderate spread, like 1 to 6 or 1 to 10, and vary their bets more subtly. Practically, you start with the minimum bet at a neutral count. As the true count increases, you gradually raise your wager following a predetermined scale. For example, at a true count of +1, you might bet $6, at +2, $12, and so on. It's important to keep your betting pattern natural so the casino doesn't get suspicious. You can also adjust your bets based on your wins and losses, not just the count. Remember, the goal of the betting spread is to increase your wagers when the deck is in your favor and reduce them when it's not. This way, you maximize your winnings while keeping a low profile. The exact size of your spread depends on your bankroll, how much risk you're comfortable with, and how much attention you want to attract from the casino staff. Mastering this balance is a big part of advanced card counting.